This is an update on my USDJPY 1 hour time frame chart analysis, which I made yesterday. In that video, which you can find a link in the description, I explained that price was headed to this resistance and that I was expecting the price to be rejected at that point or to move a little higher and then turn back to come below this trend line, this rising trend line. And now the price has just done exactly that. It went above this very resistance and now it has broken this rising trend line. The reason why it went above this very resistance, I must explain for new timers. You must understand that above every high or below every low, there are liquidities. Okay, liquidity is created where most traders place their stop loss. Above this very previous high, many people that were selling this currency pair initially had their stop loss above that high. So the market has just gone to take out those stop loss that was placed above there. So that is what just happened. And sometimes you place a market and the market will just get your stop loss, take your stop loss out and start going in the direction that you expected it to go. It's just what has just happened. So with that, the price turned lower and closed below this trend line. So it was when it closed below the trend line, like I said, that if it does close below this trend line, then we should be targeting this area. All right, so we should be targeting down here. In fact, I said we should be targeting about 147.33 area. I placed my order at the retest of that trend line that was broken, which is this trend line, and my stop loss is above this fake out that we just experienced. So my stop loss is just above that point, and my take profit is just before we get to this very point where we had our initial reversal. Okay, so when I take this profit here, I'll wait to see what the market does. Like I said in the previous video, if we're able to come below this very price, then we may be headed to these other prices down here. For now, it's a level by level play. My first target right now is at this point around 147.50, 55 area. So when I take that profit, I'll be waiting to see what price does next. This is just a simple way to go about trading. Always expect market to hunt for stops. This is just the secret of trading. Thank you for watching. Ensure you hit that subscribe button to have a great day.